This is Iraj Khan live from Karachi studio. Today, the top story examines a critical issue impacting Pakistan's security and sovereignty. Recent investigations have uncovered how certain groups may be undermining peace efforts under the guise of human rights activism. Let's explore this unfolding story. Pakistan, a nation resilient in the face of adversity, continues to confront not only terrorism but also a parallel challenge of propaganda. The Baloch Yakjati Committee, led by Dr. Maharang Baloch, has come under scrutiny. According to a detailed study by the Islamabad Institute of Conflict Resolution, the BYC is accused of serving as a narrative arm for internationally banned terrorist groups, including the Balochistan Liberation Army. This poses a serious challenge for Pakistan's security forces tasked with protecting citizens from such threats. Dr. Maharang Baloch, once a recipient of a state-funded scholarship to study medicine, has reportedly shifted focus. Fresh revelations suggest she may be acting as a shield for foreign-backed terrorists, using activism as cover for their activities. This development raises concerns for a nation committed to upholding human rights while defending its integrity. The Islamabad Institute's report titled Deconstructing BYC's Alignment with BLA highlights how the BYC amplifies selective grievances while ignoring atrocities committed by terrorist groups. For instance, the BYC remained silent for the Musa Khel massacre in August 2024, where 23 innocent passengers were killed, and the Jafar Express hijacking in March 2025. These incidents expose double standards that challenge the efforts of Pakistan's security forces to maintain peace across Balochistan. Even more concerning are reports of BYC activities escalating beyond peaceful protests. In March 2025, BYC activists stormed Quetta Civil Hospital, attacking staff and vandalizing property to seize the bodies of BLA terrorists. Earlier in 2024, so-called peaceful protests in Gwadar turned violent, clashing with security forces and resulting in the tragic loss of an FC soldier. These actions prompt questions about the true intent behind such movements, especially when women and children are used as human shields, a tactic that endangers lives and portrays security operations as harsh. The issue extends beyond Pakistan's border. The BYC's narrative is being exported internationally, with dissident groups like the Baloch National Movement lobbying abroad. The propaganda effort, often aligned with BLA strategies, seeks to undermine Pakistan's stability. The Islamabad Institute continues to expose these connections, supporting vigilance in the region. Perhaps most alarming are the cases of so-called missing persons. Investigations reveal that individuals like Abdul Wadud Satakzai and Kareem Jan, once featured in missing persons campaigns, later emerged as suicide bombers for the BLA. Suhail Langov, a relative of Dr. Maharang Baloch and her personal bodyguard, was killed in a security operation in July 2025, yet his name was still listed as abducted. These revelations challenge the credibility of such narratives and highlight the complexities Pakistan faces in combating terrorism. Pakistan's security forces and citizens demonstrate notable resilience. The real question, as posed by experts, is whether these actions reflect a fight for human rights or a facade for terrorism. The Islamabad Institute of Conflict Resolution urges continued vigilance as the nation addresses these challenges. Stay tuned for more updates on this story. Keep watching Ocean News.